the Atlantic Blue and Charcoal Braided Solo Loop, one of Apple's newest styles for watch bands. It's $99 at Apple and is available for all Apple Watch sizes and generations. After availability issues, I can finally put this video together. I'll be unboxing it and showing you matching watch faces, as well as what to wear with it, so you know if it works for you. Or if you're a fanatic like me and just like seeing them in action. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. Apple's definitely going for a minimal look for their new styles of bands this year. These are a good example integrating fashion into tech. There's no buckle or holes because of how they designed it to easily fit. It took me a while to get a size I like because, like everyone else, the first round receiving them were too big. After trying it on at the Apple store, I found out you should actually go one size down from what Apple recommends on their website's measuring tool. Like it said, I'm a size 4, but I'm actually a 3. So instead of waiting 3 weeks for my order, I decided to constantly check the Apple store until they had my size in stock. Totally worth it if you end up loving it. Putting it on is easier than ever. After attaching both sides to the end of the watch with the metal facing down, simply push your hand through the loop to a comfortable spot. Charcoal's like a matte black, and Atlantic Blue is a deep, rich color. It's not too thick of a weaving, yet not too thin. This keeps its clean look. It's a comfortable fit, snug without feeling too tight, like it's just there. It resists water droplets when washing hands, but just like normal fabric, it can absorb over time if soaked. I'd be careful with food oils because it looks like the type of fabric that could stain. Working out in it didn't loosen it up for me.
Okay.
I didn't like how my sweat felt against the fabric or how it looked with athletic wear. I don't think it's made for sport anyway. It's not breathable enough. Braided loops are definitely made for casual wear. Everything from jeans and a simple shirt or top to loungewear and layers. I can see this popular with women's wear like blouses and dresses. Graphics and patterns work too. Treat charcoal like black. It matches almost anything, and it can transition to semi-formal. Since it's so dark, there's less texture. With blue, you'll be more selective. Try colors lighter or darker than it for depth. Complement it or color block it, bringing out the blue in your clothes. There's so many watch faces that match these colors. Blue is slightly bright and charcoal is neutral, so multicolor faces look great. My personal favorite is the new Count Up watch face for blue and Typograph for charcoal, as well as several other new ones. Maybe because the textures blend together so well. Full screen faces are nice to switch to. Animated faces add more life and expression. The classics are a timeless choice. I think it's beautiful. It's easy to put on and take off. It looks great with mainly casual wear, but I realize it's not my type of look. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe for more. The more this channel grows, the more products I can review or unbox, and better quality content I can create. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.